Hello and welcome back to a really quick tutorial for Adobe Premiere Pro 2026. Today I'm showing you how you can crop a video in a circle, as you see on screen right now, from a video that was, for example, 1920 by 1080p. So first things first, to get the circle crop, head over to the top right hand corner and select the panel that is called Editing. It'll then bring you up this panel right here, and in the bottom left you're going to see Media, Browser, Graphics, Libraries, Info, but there's a panel called Effects. Here, you can then search for the effect you would like. In our case, we're going to search for crop. The first crop it brings up is something called FI Rounded Crop FX. The one below is called crop. We want the rounded crop because then we can adjust it to make it a circle crop. So first things first, I've drag and dropped it on. You can see my edges are now rounded. In the Effect Controls panel, which should pop up once you click the clip that you've just dragged and dropped the effects to, you can scroll down and you'll see FI Rounded Crop. Here we can adjust the parameters. I'm going to select Symmetrical Crop so that the left and right and top and bottom are exactly the same, and I'm going to crop it to the left by about 20%, that's roughly about accurate, and then that applies it to the left and the right. I'm going to scroll down a bit further, I'm going to see roundness, and I change that from 10% to 100%, and lovely, I've got a circle, and then at the very top I'm going to change it, if I would like to. I can leave it a 0 for a perfect circle, or I can change it to 2, for example, to make it a bit flatter at the top, but I'll leave it a 0 for a perfect circle, and there you go. That is how you create a perfect circle in Adobe Premiere Pro on a cropped video.